hey baby, good morning. How's your sleep? No, that's good. I'm glad you slept well. How's your how's your stomach doing? It's doing good. Mm. In your head. Is your head feeling okay? That's good, I'm glad. I'm glad your head's feeling okay. You were feeling really, really sick. You had this pounding headache, and I'm glad you feel a lot better, princess. Sweetie, can I get you anything? You want water, breakfast, anything you want, sweetie. Just tell me what you want. I see, okay. So you want to cuddle? We can cuddle. Come here, sweetie. Come on, get on close. Just like that. You know what? I really can't believe that it's gonna be 3 of us soon. Me and you, and then the baby. Us 3. Under one roof. I know it's wild, but I'm so happy. I am. I really never thought I would ever get to a place to have you and a child coming. So, I'm so lucky. No, don't worry, baby. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay, I promise. I know it's scary. It is. It's the first time for me too. But we'll learn. We'll learn together. I know our baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. But don't worry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. I'll always take care of you and the baby. Mm. Mm. Let me feel your belly. Mm. Your stomach is so smooth. I think I can feel the baby moving. Yeah, the baby was definitely moving. I can feel it kicking slightly. I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. It's crazy. We're gonna be a family. I love you so much. Sweetie, you're gonna be a great mother. Don't worry, okay? not to worry. You really don't. You're gonna do fine. I know you're gonna do fine. You're gonna do fine because I know how caring you are. I know how nurturing you are. And I know how loving you are. And that's why I fell in love with you in the first place. Because you're just so perfect and lovely in every single way. Okay? So you don't have to worry. Okay? Of course, sweetie. I mean, I think I'm gonna be a great father. I do, you know. I'm gonna, love the baby. I'm gonna love you. I'm always gonna be there for our baby and teach her child stuff and, and I'll learn as I go, obviously. But yeah, I think I'll be a great father. I know that I'll always love you and the baby. You guys will always be my number one. You guys will. I promise. I remember when I first saw you, when I first laid my eyes on you. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. I was so nervous when I tried to come up and talk to you. I was so scared. I didn't know what to say. I was shocked. I was shocked that you gave me your number. I was excited too. Then when we went on our first date, it was magical. I remember what you wore. I remember what perfume you were wearing. I can smell it today. I thought you were the most amazing thing in the world. You were so kind. You were so sweet. You were just so amazing. That day I really fell madly in love with you. I never felt anything like it. And here we are now, soon to have a family. This is literally one of the most amazing journeys I have ever been on with anyone. And I'm so glad that I get to go on this journey with you. No, the baby's kicking. Are you okay? It hurts a little bit. Let me give you that warm water bottle, yeah. I'll go and grab that warm water bottle for you. Give me 1 second. Here, sweetie. Got you your water bottle, okay? Here. Let me put on the belly for you. There you go. Doesn't that feel good? It does. I'm glad. Of course, baby. I would do anything for you. Here. Let's cuddle again. Come here close. Come here close. Good. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. I'm serious. Your eyes are really something special. And I'm not just telling you this to impress you or anything. I'm not. I mean, your eyes, they sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. They really do sparkle. I mean, it can be kind of distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those beautiful eyes? I mean, I get lost in them all the time, I do. Especially when the light hits your eyes just right. It makes your eyes glow. Gives it this unique beauty. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really careful with eyes like those. You might steal someone's heart without even trying. In your lips. You got the most gorgeous lips in the world. Your lips are really, really beautiful. There's something about them that just draws me in. It's like when you smile, it lights up the whole room. And everything just fades away. And I can't help but feel so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. And I could. The way that your voice combines with the way your lip moves is mesmerizing. And it makes everything you say feels so special. I mean, I just want you to know that I just really appreciate you. Your lips are honestly not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness to them. It's comforting to be close to you.